Vedic Science, written by Agniveer. Science in Veda, origin of science, विज्ञान का स्रोत. Derived from Latin scientia meaning knowledge. लैटिन शब्द से जो आ रहा है साइंटा, जिसका मतलब ज्ञान होता है. साइंटा फ्रॉम सांख्या, और साइंटा शब्द जो उत्पन्न हो रहा है वो सांख्य से हो रहा है, सांख्य दर्शन से. मेजरेबल नॉलेज, सांख्या अर्थात नंबर, सांख्यिकी, स्टैटिस्टिक, वेद नॉलेज. साइंटिफिक मेथड ड्राइव्ड प्योरली फ्रॉम यजुर्वेदा, यहाँ पूर्ण रूप से यजुर्वेद से आ रहा है. अग्ने व्रतपते व्रतम चरिष्यामि तत्सख्यम तन्मे राधिताम इदम अहम अनृतात् सत्यम उपैमि. आस्क क्वेश्चन, डू बैकग्राउंड रिसर्च, कंस्ट्रक्ट हाइप्नोसिस, टेस्ट विथ एन एक्सपेरिमेंट, एनालाइज रिजल्ट, ड्रा कंक्लूजन्स. Hypnosis is true, hypnosis is a false or partially true, report result. That means explanation of this mantra. Think, try again. Measurable Sankhya, replicable Satya Sanatan Vedic Dharma. Peer review Rigved 3:38-6, यजुर्वेदा 2025. राज प्रजा धर्मा विषया, समानो मंत्रा समिति समानी समान मन सचित्तमेषां. नॉलेज मैनेजमेंट, देवा भागम यथा पूर्वे समझाना न उपासते. वैदिक साइंस हाइपोथेसिस, अग्ने व्रतवते व्रतेना दीक्षम. यजुर्वेद दृष्ट्वा रूपम व्याकरोत्. यजुर्वेद श्रमेना तपसम वेदोक्ता धर्मा विषया. लाइक दैट है हाइपोथेसिस, कंक्लूजन्स, एक्सपेरिमेंट, डाटा रिजल्ट. Scientific method. Some more Tread, father of scientific rationalism. No individualism, collective wisdom, anonymous definition, process oriented and not result oriented. Vedas a step beyond. Foundation of knowledge, ज्ञान का आधार. नो बाइंडिंग टू बिलीव, सो सिंपली फॉलो साइंटिफिक मेथड एंड एक्सेप्ट द ट्रूथ. नो बाइंडिंग बिलीव, बंधन पर भरोसा नहीं. सो सिंपली, इसलिए सरलता के साथ फॉलो, अनुसरण कीजिए साइंटिफिक मेथड, वैज्ञानिक तरीकों को, एंड एक्सेप्ट, और स्वीकार कीजिए द ट्रूथ, सत्य को. पर्पज बिहाइंड इंक्वायरी, मकसद इंक्वायरी के पीछे होता है, जांच पड़ताल के बाद मकसद सिद्ध होता है. मेटा मॉडल्स ऑफ थिंकिंग, जेनरिक प्रिंसिपल बियॉन्ड मेजरेबल वर्ड. वैरायटी ऑफ मॉडल, इंट्यूटिव, फूड फॉर थॉट्स, एम्फेसिस एंड डिस्कवरी एंड नॉट स्पून फीडिंग. इंक्लूजन ऑफ सेल्फ एंड वेज इन विच सेल्फ इंटरेक्ट विथ वर्ड. गायत्री मंत्रा, धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्. बी थिंक ऑफ द प्योर, हम शुद्ध के बारे में विचार करें. फ्लोलेस सोर्स दैट गिव अ पावर ऑफ थिंकिंग, जो हमें देता है विचार करने की शक्ति. फ्लोलेस सोर्स, जो स्रोत है. प्रवाह, फंडामेंटल प्रिंसिपल. More you channelize your output toward your source, more than efficiency. In an ideal situation with complete channelization, and no dissipation of energy elsewhere, you become a perpetual machine. Also provide explanation why mukti is not infinite, because perpetual machine are impossible. Om bhurvaswah तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। उस प्राण स्वरूप दुखनाशक सुख स्वरूप श्रेष्ठ तेजस्वी पापनाशक देव स्वरूप परमात्मा को हम अंतरात्मा में धारण करें। वह परमात्मा हमारी बुद्धियों को सन्मार्ग में प्रेरित करे। Electrodynamic Rig Veda 119.10 Ashwina bipolar force. Ashwini are considered a duo which exist together. Yuvam, you both. Pedava, the cause rapid movement. Speedham, for military and noble purpose. And Pitanshu, destroying armies. Chakrityam, that cause continuous movement. Shvetam, with utmost speed. Puravarmam, for multiple means of attaining success. Dustratam, which cannot be escaped. Krasnisham, which is robust. Sarit, which can be stopped and started again and again. Abhidyum, charged with electricity. Indramayu, powerful and fast. Tarutaram, made of metal wire and to communicate. Duvasthan, develop motion of planets. Rig Veda 10.149.1. The sun has tied Earth and other planets through attractions and move them around itself as if a trainer moves newly trained horses around itself holding their reins. Savita sun, Yantrihi through reins. Prithvim, earth. Armanat, ties. Dhyam, Adhat, other planet sky as a veil. Adroited, unbreakable. Badham, holds. Aswam, ewe. Adhva, like horse. Gravitation and planetary motion. Rig Veda 8.2.28. Yada, when they Haryata, Hari attract each other by coming closer. Babridhate, in increasing manner. Dive, continuously. Vishwa, Bhuvanani, all planets of the universe. Mire, remains stable. Kepler, second lord. Barbatage. Some more from Vedas. Rig Veda 8.1.12.28. O Indra, by putting forth your mighty rays, which possess the quality of gravitation and attraction, illumination and motions, keep up the entire universe in order through the power of your attractions. Rig Veda 1.6.5. Rig Veda 8.12.30. O God, you have created the sun. You possessed infinity power. You are upholding the sun and other spheres and render them steadfast by your power of attraction. Yajurveda 33.43. The sun moves in its one orbit in space, taking along with itself the mortal bodies like earth through force attractions. Rig Veda 1.35.9. The sun moves inwards one orbits, but holding earth and other heavenly body in a manner that they do not collide with each other through force of attraction. Rig Veda 1.164.30. Sun moves in its orbit, which itself is moving earth and other bodies move around sun due to force of attraction, because sun is heavier than them. Atharvaveda 4.1.1 The sun has held the earth and other planets. Light of the moon. Light of moon. Rig Veda 1.8 84.50 The moving moon always receives a ray of light from sun. Rig Veda 10.859 Moon decided to marry day and night, attend his wedding, and sun gifted his daughter sun rays to moon. Eclipse. Rig Veda 5:45 O sun, when you are blocked by the one whom you gifted your one light moon, then earth gets sacred by sudden darkness. Airplanes. Critique of Vimanaj Shastras by IISc Bangalore. The statement above would appear in indicate complete accord with the Newton laws of motion. Rig Veda 1.116.3 1.16.4 10.62 1.160.5 116.6 and 134.2 1347 14.8 Vedas a step beyond. Foundation of all knowledge, no binding to believe, so simply follow scientific method and accept the truth. Purpose behind inquiry, meta models for thinking, generating principle beyond measurable word, variety of model, intuitive food of thought, emphasis on discovery and not spoon feeding, illusions of self and way in which self interact with world. Some subtle concept: sensory approach of world, sight, touch, smell, hearing, taste, position, receptors in the ear, central nervous system, touch, pleasure, pressure, temperatures, receptors in skin, chemical receptor in the nose and tongues, sound receptors in ear, light receptor in the eye. That is the sensory approach of knowledge. Yama-yami Sukta, fundamental principle, entities far from same source should not indulge in each other. Economics, technology, business, society. Om Shatahasta Samahara. Atharvaveda 3.24 Multiple effect principle of economics. Why West progressed? Simply they followed Vedas. University system documentations, peer review, unbased efforts, standard definitions, all directly lifted from Veda. Question: but they never studied Vedas. Agniveer. Answer: Vedas are within each of us. Yasmin Richa Sama Yajunsi Tanme Manashu Sankalpamastu. Some myths on the Vedic sciences. There were a Vedic period, reality. All period are Vedic period. Once upon a time we had great advancement in the science. Reality, there have always been ups and downs. So real wisdom demand breaking math of golden era. Mahabharata era had a very advanced technology for missile etc. reality, but they had very disgusting social technology causing downfall of nation. Today we have lost the Vedic age. Reality today is the best possible model of Vedic world in documented history. Vedas, Indian culture, reality, Vedas are for entire humanity, are not only India. Anyone's seeking truth genuinely is Vedic. Methods of Vedic science. Look for knowledge within and not through external translation of mantra. Use mantra to sharpen your mind, enhance thinking process, and discover deep essence. Know the purpose of inquiry. Know why you exist. Know your goal and know how truth brings you closer to your goal. Cautions in Vedic science. Do not try to deliberately twist mantras to suit modern scientific framework. Example: Sattva, Raja, Tama, electron, neutron, proton. Example: atom, Parmanu. Practically, science cannot be discovered without experiment. B. Unbased, do not assume anything, even the Vedas are based. Let the be a conclusion. Never fight on definitions. Analyze relationship between definition. Do not be too scientific. Know the purpose. Know that everything cannot be measurable by available methods. No, the final truth can be known only by emini science. Know that Vedic physical world include tangible words plus emotion plus all feelings. So see more generic laws. Hence the Vedas. Do you know Newton was a firm believer in God? The definition of God from Einstein almost matches what Swami Dayananda wrote in Satyartha Prakasa. Next step, acceptance of methods of waste, enhancements of methods to include purpose of life. Veda as means to discover knowledge within rather than spoon feed from outside. Satyartha Prakasa, chapter 3789, Intro to Veda's complex text, unleash the legend within.